Hey guys, in this video, I'll tell you how to change Verizon Wi-Fi password. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open your preferred web browser, and then in the address bar, type 192.168.1.1 and press enter. This will take you to the login page for your router. Then, you'll need to log in using your router's admin credentials. The default username is usually admin, and the password can often be found on a sticker on your router, or it can be admin as well. Once logged in, look for the Wireless or Wi-Fi Settings tab in the router's interface. This is typically found in the main menu or under Basic Settings. In the Wi-Fi Settings section, you'll see an option to change your Wi-Fi password. Simply enter a new password in the appropriate field, and make sure to create a strong one that combines letters, numbers, and special characters. After entering your new password, scroll down and click Save or Apply to update your settings. Your router will then apply the changes, and your Wi-Fi network will restart with the new password. At last, reconnect all devices to the new Wi-Fi network using the new password. So that's basically how you can change Verizon Wi-Fi password. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.